Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the dreaded error code 9E on your Samsung dishwasher, you're in the right place. This error typically pops up when there's an issue with the water supply, and in this video, we'll break it down step by step so you can get your dishwasher running smoothly again. Let's dive in. First off, what does error code 9E mean? In Samsung dishwashers, this code usually signals a problem with water intake. It could mean your machine isn't getting enough water, or there's a blockage somewhere in the system. Don't panic. It's often an easy fix, but ignoring it might lead to bigger issues like leaks or inefficient cleaning. Now, let's talk about the common causes. One big culprit is low water pressure from your home's supply line. Maybe the water valve is partially closed, or there's a kink in the hose. Another possibility is a clogged inlet filter, which can get gunked up with food particles or mineral buildup over time. Electrical issues, like a faulty water inlet valve, could also be at play, especially if your dishwasher is a few years old. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by checking your water supply. Ensure the valve under your sink is fully open and that the hose isn't bent or blocked. Next, unplug your dishwasher and give it a reset. Wait about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. If that doesn't work, clean the inlet filter. Locate it usually at the bottom of the unit, remove it, rinse it under running water, and put it back. For more stubborn problems, you might need to inspect the water inlet valve. If you're not comfortable with that, call a professional to avoid any risks. Remember, safety first. Always unplug the appliance before tinkering inside. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it could be a deeper problem, so consult your user manual or contact Samsung support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. See you next time.